We all have that one moment where we stand in front of a mirror, confused about what to apply and when. I had that moment too. And instead of buying more random products, I built SkinCoach, an AI powered companion that brings clarity back to skincare. Today, I'm excited to show you how it works. People want healthy skin, but most of us end up in trial and error method, wasting money and sometimes irritating our own skin with the wrong combinations. And since dermat access isn't always easy or affordable, users are left without clear personalized guidance for everyday skincare. And that's where SkinCoach comes in. SkinCoach simply bridges the gap between overwhelming online advice and expert level clarity, giving users a reliable starting point for their skincare journey. And to power this level of personalized guidance, an agentic workflow became the perfect fit. Skincare guidance isn't a one step task, it requires context understanding, ingredient reasoning, routine planning, and small adjustments over time. Instead of one model doing everything, each agent focuses on the part it's best at, and the root agent orchestrates the whole experience. This makes the guidance clear, consistent, and personalized. Let's move on to our demo. As you can see over here, we have the login screen. You can simply create your account and log in. Over here, we have a dashboard where you can talk to your skin coach, have the chit chat, ask your questions, ask it to generate the routine, and move back to your dashboard. As you enter your routine, the already generated routine will be shown over here. Based on your experience with the products or any suggestions, you can just ask to make a tweak to your routine based on your concern. Moving back to the dashboard, you have skin profile where you can give your skin profile and sensitivity notes based on your concern. You can maintain your own skin diary with user logs where you can rate your skin and give small notes. This is how the skin coach works. You can talk to skin coach, make your profile, add your diary, see your routines. Let's jump onto the architecture. The user interacts with the front end through a simple chat interface or a generate routine button. The request goes to the backend, which calls your Google ADK runner. The runner uses the root skin coach agent, which coordinates the three sub-agents. Routine agent that decides what steps belong in a simple routine. Ingredient agent picks real product from our catalog and returns structured JSON. Diary agent reads user note and suggests small weekly tweaks. Together, these agents create a personalized routine to provide clear ingredient explanations, which are then returned to the front end as a clear routine view or a natural conversation. SkinCoach is built using the Google AI Development Kit, which made it easy to define multiple agents, connect them to tools, and manage sessions. The model behind the agents is Gemini 2.5 Flash, chosen because it's fast and great at structured outputs. We also created custom tools like Suggest Products to fetch real items from our skincare catalog. The backend is powered by Fast API and the frontend is a clean minimum interface created using React. Overall, this project shows how agentic system can turn a complex domain like skincare into organized, practical, and genuinely useful, while still reminding users that for severe or persistent concerns, consulting a certified dermat is always the safest option. Thank you for joining me today. I hope SkinCoach made skincare feel a little simpler and more inspiring. Thanks a lot, everyone.